Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to take the last grammar lesson that we are going to take in this term, inshallah, which is called I wish and if only. Okay, when we are going to open the grammar reference on page 174, you are going to find at the end of the page 12.1 wish and if only, and page 175. Okay, so here actually we have a deleted part or a part which is cancelled, okay, which is called the inversion, which is in page 175, which is 12.7. This part is cancelled. Okay, so actually here we are going to take I wish and if only, okay, had better, it's about or high time, would rather, would prefer and prefer, be used to and get used to. So these are the things that we are going to take in this unit. Actually, I'm going to divide it into two sessions. In this session, I'm going to explain for you I wish and if only, had better, it's about or high time, would rather, and that's it. Okay? Or maybe we won't discuss would rather. Okay, so let's start with I wish and if only. Okay, we use them when? When do we use I wish and if only? We use I wish and if only when we had a wish to do something but it didn't happen. Okay, suppose I brought bad marks. I wish I hadn't brought bad marks. Okay, I ate poison. I wish I hadn't ate poison. Anything. Okay, so this is something that you wish it to happen, but it didn't happen at the end. Okay, so we use wish. This is the definition of wish and if only. We use I wish to talk about a situation or an action we weren't happy about, or to say how we would like to do like something to be different. Okay, like when I say I wish I had brought high marks. Okay, so this is my wishing. Okay, but what is the situation now? The situation now is that I brought bad marks. Okay, so I'm not happy about my action right now, and I wish or if only I could do something better. Okay, so this is the use of wish and if only. We use wish plus the past simple, okay, when we talk about the present or the future. Okay, for example, let's look at this example. I wish I knew how to lose weight easily. Okay, so here I'm talking about now, but I used what? The past tense. Okay, I wish I knew how to lose weight easily. Okay, but what is the situation? The situation is that I don't know how I don't know how to lose weight easily. Okay, so if I'm talking about situation that is in the present or in the future, I use wish or if only plus the past simple. Okay, what about if I want to talk about a situation in the past? If I want to talk about a situation in the past, I use wish or if only plus the past perfect. And who can tell me what's the past perfect? Excellent. It's had plus the PP. So I wish I hadn't eaten so much last night. You will come and ask me a question, Miss Nada, how I will know the difference between whether this situation is in the present or whether this situation is in the past? Very simple. Let's look at this sentence. Last night. So this is what? Huh? Excellent. It's a situation in the past. So I'll use past perfect. But here it's a situation in the present or in the future, so I'll use the past tense. Again, if I have any sentence in the present or in the future and they told me to use I wish or if only, I make it in the past. I change the verb in the past simple. Okay, and of course you know the past simple, the regular and the irregulars. The regular verb I put to the verb ed or ied or d. Okay, and the irregulars, the list that you have to study at the back of your book. Okay, this is for a situation in the present or in the future. I use I wish or if only plus the verb in the what? Excellent. Plus the verb in the past simple. What about if the situation, ya Miss Nada, is in the past simple? Huh? If the situation in the past simple, and it will be very clear, they are going to bring you or they are going to give you a word in the past or a keyword for the sentence in the past, you have to use it the past perfect, which is had plus the PP. I wish I hadn't eaten. Look here. so much last night. So what was the situation last night? That he ate a lot of food, okay? And that's why he's saying right now, or he said last night, that I wish I hadn't eaten so much last night. Okay, we have the third use of I wish and if only. Guys, I wish and if only have the same use. Both of them have the same use, okay? Number three, we use wish plus would plus the bare infinitive. So this is the third form. So you have, this is the first form, past simple, okay? And this is the second form, past perfect. And then the third form, I wish plus would plus the bare infinitive. When we talk about other people's annoying habits, something which is annoying you, or to say that we would like something to be different in the future. We use it for the actions, not the states. We cannot use it for a state. What's the meaning of a state? Like love, hate, understand, know, the stative verbs. Do you remember them? Yes. We cannot use this form, okay, with the what? We cannot use this form with the stative verbs. We can only use wish plus would when the subjects are different. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, look, let's look here. I wish I. So here we have the subject. Both the subjects are the same. So I use one of the two tenses, okay, past simple or past perfect. But let's look at this example. Let's look at this example together. Look. Huh. I wish the school. Is I the same subject as the school? Of course not. They are different subjects. So when I find that they are different subjects, I use would plus the verb in the infinitive form. Okay? I wish the prize. So here, is I the same as the prize? No. Excellent. So here I use would go. Okay? And something which is annoying. Let's read the sentence. I wish the school canteen would stop selling junk food. So he's annoyed by this. He's annoyed that the school canteen is selling what? Junk food. Okay? So guys, take care. We have three forms of I wish and if only. Okay? We use I wish and if only. Here it's telling you we can use if only instead of wish in the affirmative and negative sentences. We can use if only and I wish, the same use, but where in the negative sentence and in the affirmative sentence. Okay? So again I repeat, because I'm going to leave I wish and if only. We use I wish and if only for three things. Number one, for if I want to say that I'm not satisfied or I wish something to happen in the present or in the future, and I use what? Wish or if only plus the past simple of the verb. But if I wished something to happen in the past, okay, I use what? I use the past perfect. Had plus the PP. Okay, something annoying, something I didn't want it to happen. Or what is so obvious is that when the subjects are different. When the subjects are different, we use would plus the verb in the infinitive, okay? But if the subjects are the same, we use one of the two forms up, okay? So this is called I wish, or this is what I told you about I wish and if only. Okay, let's go to had better. And it's all about time. Okay, we use had better, guys. We use had better, okay, to give advice. To give what? Advice. Simply, it is advice for a specific situation in the what? In the present or in the future. Very good. It is followed by the bare infinitive. The bare infinitive is the verb without to. You would better see a doctor. Had better is sometimes used to make threats. Okay, so here we have two uses. Number one is advice. Number two is what? Threat. Okay, so had better, I'm giving advice, and what comes after had better? A verb in the infinitive form, in the bare infinitive. You had better do as I say, or you will be in big trouble. Look here, it's a what? It's a threat. Okay, I'm threatening someone. All right, so these are the two uses of had better. We use had better for advice and for threats, and both of them had betters comes after it what? The verb in the bare infinitive. Very good, thank you. Let's move to the last part that we have here in our session for this time. It's about or high time. We can use it's time, it's about time, it's high time plus the past simple, and this is the form that we have to study. Very, very important. It's time, it's about time, it's high time, okay, plus the tense, plus the past tense, okay, when, to talk about something that should have already been done in the present, okay, it should have been done, okay, it's time you started eating healthy, nutritious food, okay, that this is the time that you should do this, okay, look here, it's time and past simple, okay, it's about time I had a checkup, okay, that I should what, I should do this in the present, and then I have what, past simple, it's high time, and then again past simple. Very good. So these three words, it's time, it's about time, and it's high time, what comes after it? A verb in the past simple. Very good. So you have to know this, that what comes after these three words, verb in the past, to talk about something that should have already been done where, in the present. It's high time Fred joined the gym. Okay, that means he should join. He should have been joining a gym right now, or he should have joined a gym in the present or right now. Okay, so we stop here, and in the next session we are going to discuss, inshallah, would rather, would prefer, and prefer, be used to, and get used to, and then we are going to solve the grammar section. Okay, if you have anything in the booklet related to these three topics, please answer them. Okay, thank you, and see you next session.